So here's a question where we're going to end up using the relation between inverses and their derivatives. So the relationship I'm referring to is this one, where it says the derivative of the inverse is equal to 1 over the derivative at the inverse of x. So the first thing I need to do before I can figure this out is I have to work on this inside function here. And it's looking for it when x equals to 3. So that's my first job, is what is the inverse at 3? But of course I can't find the inverse of 3 without doing a little bit of algebra. If it's the x coordinate here, then that means I'm going to be looking for where 3 is equal to f of x, meaning now I'm looking for the y coordinate. So if I do that, that gives me a little equation that says where does 3 equal 1 over x? I'll end up with x equals to 1/3. So if x equals 1/3 in the function, then I know that y equals 1/3 in the inverse. So that's what I end up with. F inverse of 3 is 1/3. Okay, so now I can rewrite this relationship as 1 over the derivative, and I know the inverse at 3 is 1/3. So now that's what I need to figure out, is the next piece here, which is the derivative. So the derivative of f is going to be, you can use the power rule here, that might be an easier way to get this one. It'll be negative x to the negative 2, or negative 1 over x squared. Either would be fine. So if I plug in x equals 1/3, I'm going to have negative 1 over 1 over 9, which is negative 9. So now I've got my relation reduced to this, and I have an answer, which is negative 1 over 9. And for question 41, that looks like B.